Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pot bamboo. It's very easy, and all you need is some bamboo, a pot, and some small rocks. But before we get into that, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We've been noticing that a lot of people who watch our videos aren't subscribed. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. So what you're going to want to do first is we're going to put some rocks in it. We're just going to put a light layer of rocks on the bottom. And then we're going to take our bigger bamboo. We're going to put it about right there. Alright, and then we're going to take our smaller bamboo. We're going to put it about right there. And what we'll do is just keep on filling it up with rocks. And then you want to adjust it to the way you want it. About what we want right there. And that's it. The last thing you're going to want to do is fill it up with water. Make sure it has enough water. And that's it. That's all you'll have to do. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Again, if you do like the video and the videos that we've been doing, please hit the subscribe button so you can continue to watch all of our videos that we come out with. And other than that, have a good day guys. We'll see you guys next time.